Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. Ever since we got back from where we were away, it's been a bit flat out to get some jobs done before we go out and about in August. First of all was to get the airbag control system in place, and it didn't go exactly to plan, unfortunately, which is evidence of the state of the garage right now. So yeah, that is the aftermath of a weekend of things not going very well. So I've got that to sort out. But on the other hand, it's in. The program hasn't gone exactly to plan. I was having problems with pressure spikes, which was tricking the pressure sensors to thinking that the pressure had been achieved, or even too much pressure has been achieved, and started deflating the airbags. So it was up and down, up and down, up and down all constantly. So I've installed a pneumatic flow control valve, which has helped, but the programming still doesn't seem to like the little bit of pressure spike, so I'm gonna have to think about that. But I'm going to do a full video on it, explaining exactly every component and how I did and what I've done to get there, but we'll give you a quick show. So, first of all, underneath here, if I can get underneath there, is the air tank, welded onto the tow bar there. And then that comes up and gets connected to the compressor, which is in here now. So luckily I've changed jobs, so where I've changed they do hydraulic fittings, hydraulic lines. So I got a hydraulic line made up at work, which is brilliant. Reinforced and rated up to 5,000 psi, so more than what I'll need. But the main thing I wanted that for was the fact it's actually armoured. So the main line to the tank is armoured. Then I've got these two lines coming from the airbags, retaining the original pipework for the valves and into the manifold. It's a bit of a jumble of wires at the moment because I've been playing around with different configurations and stuff, but here is the control box, which I'm sure I've showed you before. There's not a lot of change in here. I just labelled the relays because I was troubleshooting, like I said. And yeah, not a lot of change in there. One other thing that happened, which wasn't exactly the best turn of luck either, that welder that I did an unboxing video of last couple of weeks ago wouldn't work off my 20 amp supply. After speaking to the supplier and then in turn then speaking to the actual manufacturer, SIP, they actually recommend that units run off a 32 amp supply, which I don't have. So a new welder is on order. To be fair, it's all singing, all dancing. I can do aluminium welding, I can do stainless welding, like basically all the other welding stuff that I could have done with the other unit. But this one will do aluminium as well. It's got pulse settings and all this kind of stuff, which it's expensive, don't get me wrong, but it's yeah, it's going to do for pretty much anything I want to throw at it within the garage. So yeah, so once I've cleared all this, we're going to be doing a few more videos. It's going to take a day just to clear all this, to be fair. In its present state, the air disc controller is not really working the way it's meant to work. All it's doing at the moment is it's programmed to keep a constant 20 psi of pressure in the airbags, as there is slight leaks, which I haven't chased yet either. So it's not quite working the way it's meant to, but we're making progress. Next thing is to finished prepping the old aluminium sides, which are here. I was going to carpet them, but I've recently just got some supply. Sorry, can't say anything. From my local supplier, and he's just had this in. If it'll focus. There you go. You can just about see it. Apparently, according to him, which is why I only bought the 1 tin of each, it's as close to powder coating as you can get. So it's basically a very durable paint aerosol. So I'm going to give that a go. And then, worst case scenario, I can always carpet over the top of that paintwork. But yeah, other than that, not a lot going on. I'm going to try and keep the videos pumping out, but yeah, we've been extremely busy at the moment with starting a new job, and it's the peak season for the volunteer rescue stuff. Pretty much every single weekend I'm doing both days on the weekend, so I'm finding it hard to get videos out there. So I'm going to try my best. There might be the odd week which I don't manage to get one out, so bear with me. But until then, see you later.